Yeah, listen close. This is my story, from the bottom to the top. Bawat hakbang, bawat laban. Let's go! Yeah. Grew up in a small place, walls watin and old. Walang sapat na pagkain, minsan tayo'y nagugutom pa rin. Lahat ng gusto, hindi nakukuha agad. Every single day I'm fighting just to make it through the rain. Kahit na mahirap, hindi ako sumuko. Every obstacle, ginagawa kong daan patungo sa pangarap ko. Mga panahong akala ko wala ng pag-asa, pilit na lumalaban, puso ko'y puno ng pag-asa. I remember nights lying awake in the dark, wondering how we gon' make it, wondering where's the spark. Minsan napapaisip bakit ganito ang buhay, pero sa bawat pagkadapa tumatayo ulit, mas matibay. Walang madaling daan, laging may pagsubok, but I keep moving forward. I won't ever stop, poverty was my shadow, pero hindi ako sumasabay. I'm writing my own future, turning struggles into glory. From the bottom up, building my name, working every hour, playing the game. Bawat pawis na tumulo, bawat luha na bumuhos, lahat yan ay bahagi ng kwento ko. Poverty won't define me, I break through the chain, turning all my struggles into my biggest gain. Growing up hard, but I'm standing tall, chasing my dreams, I'm gonna make it all. Day and night, doing jobs that no one wants, walang reklamo kasi alam kong ito simula. Saving every penny, counting every cent, building my foundation, saving what I spent. Mga kaibigan nagsasabi baka hindi mo maabot, pero ang tingin ko bawat tagbang ay malapit na sa tagumpay. Hindi ako nagmamadali, pero hindi ako tumitigil. Every single effort may kapalit na gantimpala. I put in the work while they sleeping in bed, sacrifice the comfort, left the doubts in my head. Mga pagsubok ay parang bagyo, lumilipas din naman ng pagkakataon ay nandyan. Kailangan lang abutin from nothing to something, that's the plan I made. Kahit na mabagal pero sigurado ang daan, hindi ako magpapababa, hindi ako magpapatalo. I'm climbing higher, reaching for the stars above. From the bottom up, building my name, working every hour, playing the game. Bawat pawis na tumulo, bawat luha na bumuhos, lahat yan ay bahagi ng kwento ko. Flashing won't define me, I break through the chain, turning all my struggles into my biggest gain. Growing up hard, but I'm standing tall, chasing my dreams, I'm gonna make it all. Naaalala ko pa noong wala pa akong dala-dala. Ngayon marami na pero hindi ko kakalimutan kung saan nagsimula. Ang hirap na naramdaman, naging lakas ko ngayon. Ginawa kong inspirasyon para maabot ang aking pangarap. Hindi para sa iba, kundi para sa sarili at sa pamilya. Gusto kong ipakita na kahit sa pinakamababang antas, pwede pa ring umahon, pwede pa ring magtagumpay. Kung may determinasyon at tiyaga, walang imposible. Yeah! Look at me now, I'm rising to the top. Everything I worked for, now I got it on lock. Hindi ako nagpalilang sa mga maling pagkakataon, pinili ang tamang landas, inalagaan ang pangarap na tinanim. Mula sa kawalan ngayon marami na ang nakikita. Ang kwento ko ay patunay na kaya mong abutin ang bituin. Walang hadlang na hindi malalampasan, kung puso mo ay matatag at isip ay nakatuon sa layunin. They said I couldn't do it, they said I'd never make it, but I proved them wrong, now they see what I'm creating. Bawat araw na lumipas, nagiging mas malakas ako. Ang paghihirap na dinanas, naging susi sa tagumpay ko. From the streets to the void, struggle to the fame, I'm living my life, doing it my own way. This is my journey, this is my truth, I'm gonna keep going till I reach the road. From the bottom up, building my name, working every hour, playing the game. Bawat pawis na tumulo, bawat luha na bumuhos, lahat yan ay bahagi ng kwento ko. Posse want to find me, I break through the chain, turning all my struggles into my biggest gain. Growing up hard, but I'm standing tall, chasing my dreams, I'm gonna make it all. Yeah, that's how it goes. No matter where you come from, as long as you work hard, you can reach anything you want. Basta't hindi susuko. I did it. You can do it too. Yeah.